Taking part in a panel discussion at the Magnetic Maharashtra Convergence 2018, a global investors summit on Tuesday, Shah Rukh Khan said there will be an explosion in creation of original content and not just from the big production houses.
The big thing that's going to happen in the next 5 years, according to me, और मैं 5 साल भी यहाँ पे सुपरस्टार रहूँगा तो मुझको चेक कर सकते हैं आप बाद में मिलके, but 100% content is going to be created by lots of people who are not the doyens of content creator.
King Khan said there should be a collaborative platform for content in different languages.
I think the Maharashtra business module should be that they give us a platform to aggregate all this, collaborate all this, and then we should be just service providers somehow of all kind of news, which only we are not making, all kind of entertainment, all kind of television, all kind of stuff that people are putting out in all different languages.